I don't want to be one of those builders that moves into a place and still has 1,000 jobs that I just procrastinate forever. Hey, I'm Josh, a builder here in Wellington, New Zealand, and the video you're about to watch is something we've put together to show my personal experience of building, but using it to give you an example of what you can expect when you go through the building process yourself. Back to the video. Today's job is that fireplace needs to go in that corner. Bit of a mish. We've had to cut out all of the old floor. Basically, I didn't read the specs properly. I wrongly assumed that I could just use a 6mm steel plate like my old fire that I installed, but this one we need to put a 20mm layer of non-combustible surface.
Nice and light though.
Yep, real light. You go.
It's hot.
To share, including a local cheese board.
So that'll form an edge for the tiles rather than using the aluminium edging. We've formed a custom made wooden trim. Next steps is the roofer is going to cut a hole in the roof and put a flashing all the way to the ridge there, and that will keep the water out, and then we poke the chimney through. Just finished cutting the plywood for the shelf upstairs. We've got the shelves on the wall, the desk is in. I'm going to put a coat of oil over everything tonight, and we'll just touch up some of the marks we've left on the wall. Yo, it's Friday morning. I've got the plumber and I've got the Sparky here, and it's been a morning of tying up loose ends. We've been doing the kitchen range hood, the island light, the heated towel rails. Although we've already moved in, I've written a list for every single room, and I'm adamant that we are going to get this place 100% finished. I don't want to be one of those builders that moves into a place and still has 1,000 jobs that I just procrastinate forever. The steel beam's in and we've started the joists. Let's head up there and have a look. Feels like it's been a long time coming, but we are finally laying the decking. Let's crack on. We've managed to lay about half of it. We're going to continue to attack this part. It's looking awesome. The hidden fixing, loving the look of that as well. Let's keep laying. It seems like most videos these days are brought to you by Squarespace. This one's brought to you by your place. Basically, I run a building company here in Wellington. If you're thinking of building, hit us up. We would love to take on your project. Anyway, back to the video. Let's just say sloping sides are a lot of work. We've been living here for 3 months now and we still have the wrapper on our front door. I think it's time to remove it. Yo, it's Friday morning and I have just picked up a special delivery. Overnighted from Auckland, fresh out of the powder coater. Our metal balustrade is finally on site and it marks one of the last jobs we need to do for code of compliance. So it's pretty light, eh? One more there. The old post concrete cleanup. And we're going to do a little bit more landscaping, get the kids' fort a little bit more safe, get it finished, get the balustrade up. Yeah, just chunking away at a lot of those little jobs that have been lingering and just really want to get it finished and out of my head. This area is starting to look mint. It's a lot of work, but we're getting there. What I'm going to do today is we're going to fill up some of the planter boxes down the bottom. It's all those little things that take it from a building site to a finished product. It's crazy that it's taken this long to do it. Over here we've built like a little garden box, and then just up there we're doing an edge. We're going to carry the griselinias along. We're just going to do this feature area with a bunch of different size golf ball pittosporums, so they're kind of like staggered random, and then when you walk up the drive you see that. We've got the firewood shed there, and we've got the work from home office there. Boom, we got a set of stairs from the top level to the bottom level, almost ready. So much work in this kind of stuff. On a sloping site, it's so hard to work all this stuff out before you start building. Now I'll be able to drive straight up to my wood. You've seen it up to this point, and I would love to stand here and say it's finished, but guess what? It is not actually done. But is it ever done? You know, the plants can always grow and there's always something you can add or change. Since I completed the build and moved in, the amount of time it's taken, and my problem is, once I've got the vision, I just don't stop until that's existed, and we've got the skate ramp there and the trampoline there and the lawn there and the kids playground there, and we've got the deck up there, and we've got the rows of trees that I planted 3 years ago. Leave a comment below, tell me what your favorite part of watching this journey is, and honestly, if you're this far into the video and you haven't subscribed, what's going on? Hit that button, subscribe, you obviously like our content, and there's heaps more coming.